Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you how can we hide this recycle bin a link in a team site. Now, if you go to edit mode, you won't see it there. But if you get out of it, actually you have this recycle bin. So it's actually not possible to hide this. Now it has lots of useful things because the team site is used for collaboration and document management, and then people can get to the recycle bin in a fast way. By the way, you can get to the recycle bin in a different way. You can go to the gear icon, you can go to site content, and inside content you have the recycle bin, and then you can restore. So the tip is to activate a site feature or site collection feature, which is called publishing, infrastructure publishing. Now, before you do that, you should read about what the publishing feature does and consider if you want to do it. If it doesn't have much to hurt you, then you can use it, especially if you want to get rid of it. Just to show you, in a communication site which is created, it's not shown here because it meant more to present content to companies and things like that. But here we need to use some workaround. So what we need to do is to go to the gear icon, go to site content, and then we need to go to site settings, and then we will go to site collection feature, and I will search for infra. We'll search for publish. You see there's SharePoint server publishing infrastructure. So activate it. Sometimes it will take some time, but we will be patient. I'll pause the video just to until it's ready. Okay, we're back. It took almost 2 minutes to happen to be activated, so you need lots of patience. But you see it's activated, and now if we go back to the home, actually we see it went away. During creating this publishing, it also added, if I go to site content, it added some libraries, for instance, site collection document, and content structure, and report, and site collection images, and other things. Even if we deactivate it, these libraries will still be here. But the message is actually we no longer have this recycle bin, but notice the edit of the menu now is according to the navigation publishing feature. So you see here actually you can define a global navigation, a current navigation, and here you see actually this current navigation, and here you can add a link, for instance. So I'll just take this, I'll give a title, I'll call it link 1, and put the link. I could put here an audience, and I will click OK, and you see this link was added. I could also bring it down to the market. Actually, I can add the link also here. Let's see what happens actually. So this link, let's see if it's here. No, it's not here, so actually I don't need to do it on a global navigation. Actually, I'll delete it and I will put it in a current navigation. So I will add a link again, just like we did. Just one market. I can say it will open in a different window. Now it's here, and if I can actually decide if it will be underneath the a home, or it can be separately. So I'll move it down as a separate link, and now actually you see this link has been added. Now that we have all of this and we hidden the recycle bin, then actually we could also use another feature, which is if I go to the gear icon and change the look, I can, in this case we don't have it, but in some sites you have a navigation where you can switch the navigation from the left to the top. In this case it's not possible, so or it's not available. So this is what I wanted to tell you. Again, publishing feature, you need to read about it. I'll try to put a link in the show notes. And if you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.